VRoid Studio is a revolutionary tool for creating 3D anime-style characters with an impressive degree of customization and ease of use. This software stands out for its user-friendly interface, allowing both beginners and experienced users to create detailed and expressive 3D models without requiring extensive knowledge of 3D modeling. One of VRoid Studio's most notable features is its highly customizable character creation system. Users can easily modify every aspect of their characters, from facial features and hairstyles to clothing and accessories, all through an intuitive and accessible set of tools. This level of customization ensures that users can bring their unique visions to life with remarkable precision. The real-time rendering engine in VRoid Studio provides immediate visual feedback, making the design process both efficient and enjoyable. Additionally, VRoid Studio supports VRM file format, which is widely used in the virtual YouTuber VTuber community, allowing users to export their characters for use in various applications, including virtual reality and augmented reality environments.